Alkaline, oh my god. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. What a piece of pricky. When you did our say, you do the things me love. Me never have no idea say at them the same thing there, you did a chat boat. The great United States of America have Miley Cyrus, but we in a Jamaica, we have to deal with Alkaline. Alkaline do a song and him her mention a term called, you know what? I'm not even going to say it. I'm going to do it like Wheel of Fortune, and then I can fling in any consonant and vowel. See it here. Alright, I'm going to try to come up with like 5 decent names for this act. Come on, answer the other one. Let's go! Hands of the 85. Wanna guess names of that term? No education, but concentration. If so, let's go. Started with me. Anal scrupsy.
Booty bubble bath.
Posterior dry cleaning.
Bumper scrub.
You know what? We're gonna stop this because I gave me a loop. My youth, you name Alkaline, but right about now, you made the entire dancehall team acidic. Why Alkaline? Why? Well, cause him her a artist and cartel not there, so him have to fill the spot. Cause I don't know say a cartel say controversy. My people, make me talk to uno. People, in case you never know, Alkaline, the youngest and the baddest, Lego one song named Touch You. Well, the clean version that still. Pun the igloo rhythm, and in it, he mentioned say him like when rah the girl do something with his banana, and then after that he likes when a certain part of his anatomy is him like when a girl do scrupsy with that part of his anatomy. Yeah, that's the best way I think I can explain it in PG terms, so just work with me. So all the other artists them who did a try to raise them kinky game have to go take a back seat with a new song here. Jay Amsterdam, Ricky Carter, and DeMarco. The whole of them have to go hold a Rosa Parks position just because of the piece of line there where the man used in them song. Boy people, I went on Twitter and YouTube to check out people's response to that song. It's like the Walla Wano a kickstart World War III and a crucify the man. Honestly, me not really care because for him thing is to set out to be the most controversial artist. And right about now, he's doing a job well done. Cause him have people like me to talk about him. Me here say a couple dancehall artists are lick out on him, but at the end of the day, this is dancehall, and dancehall is very hypocritical. I remember back in the day, people used to burn out the art of fellatio, and then all of a sudden, when Cartel come out and say, go down, no, come up back and crush ice and all of these things, everybody have a song now where them say, yeah, them love to get ahead in a life. Yeah, that's it. Una, I remember when poor little pretty little girl Miss Cecile did sing Do It To My Baby. How Una did treat her? You know people, I just have to love dancehall because some of Una are the biggest 50 Cent, Lil Wayne and R. Kelly fans them, and you know the type of things that them talk about in them song. But for some reason, Una just very comfortable to overlook it and just still consider them Una artists. But make a dancehall artist ever do that. Straight lightning and thunder. You know what? Me done with the topic here. Me moving on because this not affect the price of rice. That's it peeps. Thanks so much for watching another Dr. Berry show. Make sure that you like, you comment and you share. Big up Fly JA for giving me this lovely shirt. You know, you can check them out. The link will be in the description. And all them something there. Take care, walk good, and have a box cover day. That was so dumb. Peace out.
Alkaline be like, because I 1, 2, 3, me just broke a gal and she wash out me bad. Oh my god.